So, you've just started your first Airbnb and found yourself looking at a big loss on paper thanks to depreciation and expenses. You might be wondering, can I use this loss to offset my W-2 income? Great question. The answer is, it depends. Hi, I'm Matt An, EA with An and Company. In this video, I'll break down why it depends, how it works, and what boxes you need to check in order to take full advantage of the tax rules. Let's dive in. So the question is, can Airbnb losses offset W-2 income? Here's the deal. Yes, you can use your Airbnb losses to reduce your W-2 income as long as two things are true. Your Airbnb qualifies as a business and you materially participate in it. Let's unpack both. To be treated as a business, your average guest stay needs to meet one of these two criteria: 7 days or less than 30 days with substantial services. Here's an example. Your Airbnb was rented out for 100 days in total in 2025, and you had 50 guests in total. That's an average stay of 2 days, clearly less than 7 days. So, yes, this qualifies as a business. Next, did you materially participate? This basically means that you did the work. You're the one messaging guests, cleaning, managing reservations, basically running the show, not outsourcing everything to others. If you did the work yourself, then yes, you materially participated. Therefore, your Airbnb losses is considered non-passive. It can offset your W-2 income. Let's have a look at another example. Your Airbnb was booked for 100 days in total. Only 4 guests stayed, so the average stay was 25 days. In this case, it's not under 7 days anymore. Let's have a close look at the second rule here. Average stay is less than 30 days with substantial services. If you offer things like cleaning during the stay, changing linens or towels, providing breakfast, snacks, or coffee, doing dishes or laundry, then you provided substantial services here. Your Airbnb is still treated as a business and you also materially participated. Therefore, your loss can offset W-2 income. Moving on, now what's the scenario that you can't use your Airbnb losses to reduce your W-2 income? Let's go back to the example. Same 100 days booked, 4 long stay guests, average stay of 25 days. But this time, all you did was give them the keys and clean up after they left. No coffee, no mid-stay cleaning, no linen or towel changes, no extras. In that case, you did not provide substantial services. So it's not treated as an active business, it's a rental activity. That means this loss is now passive. The passive loss will be reported on your Schedule E, not on your Schedule C. And generally speaking, passive losses can only offset your passive income, the income from your other rental activities, etc. It can't offset your W-2 income. There are exceptions though. If you are a real estate professional or under certain income threshold, you still not sure? That's okay. This is where having a tax professional on your side makes a huge difference. I'm an EA specialized in small business taxes, working with creative entrepreneurs just like you every day. Plus, I'm a real estate investor myself, so I understand ins and outs of short-term rentals out there. You want to dive into your specific Airbnb situation? Book your complimentary tax discovery call with me today. We'll walk you through the process and help you save more with confidence. The link's in the description below. To recap, if your Airbnb qualifies as a business and you materially participate, then yes, your Airbnb losses from depreciation and operating expenses can be used to offset your W-2 income. On the other hand, if your Airbnb doesn't qualify as a business, those losses are passive. That means they go on your Schedule E and can only offset your passive income, such as income from your other rental activities, not your W-2 income. All right, that was all I have for today's topic. You can have more information from the IRS page. I'll have that link in the description. If you have any questions around your taxes, feel free to reach out. I have my contact info in the description as well. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.